Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check Pinterest views on Pinterest. And all we have to do is to launch our Pinterest application. And then from here, we are going to tap on our profile at the bottom. Then from here, we're going to tap on our settings. And then we are going to tap on account management. From there, we're going to tap on convert to a business account. We're going to tap on convert. And there we're going to add our profile here. And from there, if you do have an website, I would suggest that you put it, let's just say we write www.drew.com, tap on next. Then we're going to describe our business. Then we can actually put other or creating friends, public figures, a bit. Or we can put, I'm not sure if you don't know what you are going to do, or we can just leave it at blog. I'm going to tap on next. Then if we would be interested in running ads on Pinterest, let's say yes. And from there, you've been able to create or convert our Pinterest account, which was private, into public. From there, we're going to tap on our profile in order to access the views in Pinterest. Then we're going to tap on this analysis icon. From there, in the case that you have posted anything, you'll be able to see the impressions, engagements, outbound clicks, saves, and the total audience and engaged audience. You can even tap on the audience and you're going to see the total audience or the engaged audience. Then thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.